How to install granite countertops. Always use 2 or more people to move, assemble, and install granite countertops. Make sure the countertop is matched to the exact width of your cabinets prior to installation. New Age Products granite countertops are constructed from mixed materials. Do not attempt to cut granite countertops. New Age Products granite countertops do not arrive sealed. It is up to the customer to choose to seal them or not. Make sure to collect all required components and tools necessary prior to your installation. Step 1. Check to confirm your home cabinets have been installed level. Countertops spanning more than one cabinet top must be flush across the entire span of the countertops. If your cabinets are not flush, it may result in cracking of your granite countertop. Step 2. Once you confirm the proper sizing of your countertop, begin by unpacking your granite countertops and place on a covered flat surface. Step 3. Using a caulking gun, apply a bead of 100% silicone along the top edges of the cabinet. If you choose, you can apply additional silicone in a zigzag pattern across full top of the cabinet. Step 4. Using 2 or more people, lift the countertop and place on top of cabinets. Align the back edge of the granite top with the back edge of the cabinets. Step 5. Make sure the countertop is centered by aligning the countertop edges with the cabinet's side panels. Using a wet cloth, wipe away any excess silicone along joint between countertop and cabinet. Follow the silicone manufacturer's instructions for dry time.